In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use GrabFood to order your favorite meals easily. Let's dive right into the process to make sure you can navigate the platform with ease and enjoy the convenience of having delicious food delivered right to your doorstep. First, you'll want to head over to GrabFood's website. It's your hub for all things food delivery and opens up a world of culinary options directly at your fingertips. Once you're there, the vast array of choices might seem a bit overwhelming, but worry not, it's all part of the fun. The website is designed to help you explore different cuisines and discover various restaurants around your area. After arriving on the GrabFood website, your next step is to select your preferred restaurant. Think of this part as digitally browsing through a menu that never ends. You can filter based on your cravings. Maybe you're in the mood for some sushi, craving a hearty burger, or wanting to try out a new Thai place. The choice is entirely yours. Take your time and explore. The sky's the limit when it comes to the variety available. Once you've decided on a restaurant, it's time to select your preferred food. Here, you'll find the restaurant's menu with mouth-watering descriptions and images to guide your selection. This part is just like being at the restaurant itself, but with the ability to take your time without any pressure. Make sure to choose the dishes that excite you the most. With your selection complete, you'll want to click on the basket icon. This is your virtual shopping cart where you can review all the items you've selected. It's always good to double check, ensuring that everything you want is there and that you haven't overlooked anything. If you feel that something's missing, you can always go back and add more items. Next, you need to address the payment setup. Click on the button to add a payment method. This step is crucial because it's how you'll complete your order. GrabFood offers various payment options, ensuring convenience, regardless of your preference for using cards, digital wallets, or other methods. If you're eligible for GGives, you can select it as a payment method. GGives is a feature that allows for flexible payment terms, which can be a great option if you're looking to spread out the cost. However, note that this option only appears if you meet the eligibility criteria. Finally, the last step is to click on Place Order. This simple action sets everything in motion. All that's left post-clicking is to sit back, relax, and maybe get your table ready as your order is prepared and delivered to you. Keep an eye on your order tracking to know exactly when your delicious meal will arrive. Enjoy your GrabFood experience and bon appetit!